Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Blip file transfer. First, navigate to the Blip website. You'll see a clear interface designed for simplicity. Blip allows you to send large files, up to 2 gigabytes, quickly and securely to anyone with an email address. It's a straightforward process that saves you time and ensures your data arrives safely. Before you begin the transfer, it's a good idea to gather all your files into one folder. This makes the selection process much smoother. Take a moment to name your files clearly so recipients know exactly what they're getting. Double-check that you haven't missed any important documents. This preparation step is crucial for an efficient transfer. Now it's time to send your files. You can easily drag and drop them directly into the Blip upload area or use the Select Files button. Carefully enter the email addresses of your recipients. Blip also offers optional security features, such as password protection, for an extra layer of privacy. Just click Send when you're ready. Once sent, your recipients will receive an email containing a secure link to download the files. They simply click the link to access their documents. Remember, these links are typically active for a limited period, usually 7 days, so encourage prompt downloads. Also, for more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.